back seat, remove the carpet right here. There is a twist lock, twist that, and slide this out of the way. Make sure the seat is all the way back, and then grab this trim piece and just pull straight up. There's some locks that hold it down. Pin right there. Use a T20 socket. Remove this screw. And grab this cover. Slide it up and outwards. Use a 10mm socket. Loosen up the negative terminal. Grab the connection and just slide it out of the way. Underneath on the passenger side, just take this cover off. You can use a trim tool. There's a couple of push pins. Take those out. And this will slide down. Pull that out. Disconnect this connector, and there's a retainer right here. Just use trim tool on the retainer. Take that off. Pop that off. And disconnect the connector. Just push down on that tab. You can use a straight blade screwdriver or your trim tool. Take this screw out, use a T20 socket. And there's a little tab right here. Take that tab, just pull down on that tab and twist it to the right, so almost like you're tightening it. And you can just slide it down. Now slide the blower motor in position. And you're going to have the tab over here a little bit. Line that up and twist to the left. Make sure that locks in. Put this screw in place. And tighten it up. Just snug it down. That's good. Connect the connector and push in this tab. Slide the cover back in place. Just like that. And take the push pins, line those up, and push them back in. Now reconnect the battery. And snug this down. Make sure this is not loose. Put the cover on. And the screw. Tighten the screw down. And just line this up. Lock it down and put the carpet in place. And then you can twist the lock.